What's up, guys? Patronn here, and we sitting here.
Rick Berman.
Mr. Rick himself. We just finished our Hustle and Grind in Orlando. What did you think of the conference?
Yeah, I thought it was great. You had some good speakers, some good content.
Yes,
You know,
a lot of good stuff.
It's always good if you can learn something,
Absolutely, absolutely. And the 11-year-old girl kind of got to me.
right?
Yeah, man.
So as soon as that was over, I texted my daughter.
Yeah.
And I told her about her.
I filmed the whole thing.
Wow.
For my girls.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to share that with them. And he also got, he got my conference on December 3rd
Right.
as well. So, looking forward to see a lot of people come out. There's a lot of vendors that are signing up right now. And basically, it's just what we did in Brooklyn, from going from 100 cars to almost 400 cars in what we're doing in the automotive industry, the movement with Sean and everything like that. Love to be part of it. And obviously, we're just changing the game, the way business, the way the cars are sold, right?
The game needs to be changed. It's
Absolutely.
time for change, and I'm excited to be part of it too. So I'm really looking forward to your concert.
I appreciate it. Thank
Love
you
it.
very much.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Patronn out.